Greetings, motivational enthusiasts. Let us explore the merits of your comfort zone, how it serves as a foundation for growth, and why understanding and appreciating this zone can be the key to unlocking your true potential. 1. Let's start by redefining what the comfort zone truly means. Explore how this zone is not a limitation but a sanctuary that nurtures and empowers. 2. Discover how your comfort zone serves as a hub for self-reflection. It's a space where you can introspect, understand your strengths, and lay the groundwork for personal growth. 3. Uncover the role of the comfort zone in building confidence. Learn how a sense of security fosters self-assurance, providing you with the foundation to take on new challenges. 4. Explore the idea that your comfort zone is a launchpad for exploration. It's from this zone of familiarity that you gather the courage to venture into new territories. 5. Understand the importance of balancing growth and comfort. Discover how incremental steps outside your comfort zone can lead to sustainable and fulfilling progress. 6. Celebrate the achievements that originate within your comfort zone. Recognize that every success, no matter how small, contributes to your overall well-being. 7. Acknowledge the comfort zone as a sanctuary for rejuvenation. It's a space where you recharge, reflect, and prepare for the challenges that lie ahead. 8. Explore how your comfort zone nurtures mental well-being. It's a space where stress is alleviated, allowing you to maintain a healthy and positive mindset. 9. Shift your perspective and embrace comfort as a strength. Learn how a strong foundation allows you to weather storms and emerge resilient in the face of adversity. 10. Conclude our journey by understanding how to transform comfort into empowerment. Discover the power of leveraging your comfort zone to fuel your aspirations and dreams. There you have it, 10 reasons why comfort zone is a place you should cherish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with those seeking a balanced approach to personal growth. Let's inspire each other to appreciate the positive aspects of our comfort zones and use them as catalysts for a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Are you ready to unlock the potential within your comfort zone? Let's embark on this empowering journey together.